Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Nice easy one today, as you can probably tell from my very relaxed attire. So we are going to be working on the cheap BMW E91 that I got from Birmingham for not a lot of money, aka Project KFC at this point. So like I said, we're going to be doing a very easy job to do. What is that? We're going to be swapping out the boot struts because they're just not working as they should. It seems like the boot is so heavy to lift up. Now, I have a feeling that the boot struts have been replaced by the previous owner, just not for the right kind though. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So I know that these are not the original boot struts. No idea what brand these even are. Drome Dairy. That's kind of looks like it. It's kind of what it looks like it says. Apparently they come with a lifetime warranty. I mean, that means nothing to us at this point. We don't have a receipt or anything. But yeah, they don't seem like they are working properly. I mean, fair enough. Yeah, they do hold the boot up, but it just seems like it's way too difficult to push the boot down, and again to lift it up. It seems like there's no assistance, you know, for the boot to raise. So I'm going to be going back to what they were fitted with from factory, which is these Stabilis units. Stabilis, they make pretty much all the original BMW boot struts, and they're not expensive. You don't have to buy the genuine BMW ones, they're just probably 4 times as much. Just buy these. I think these were maybe £20 for the pair. I'll stick a link in the description if you want to get yourself some. But yeah, not expensive, but they are the genuine OEM ones. So yeah, let's get these unboxed, compare them to the ones that are on the car at the moment, and let's get them installed. So then, these are the new ones, Stabilis Liftomat, and these are made in Germany as well. So probably a lot better quality compared to whatever these things are. I mean, they look to be roughly the same length. If anything, the ones that are on the car are slightly shorter, but I don't think that's our issue. I just think these are not providing adequate force. Anyway, let's get the original ones removed. Very, very easy to do. I've done these a bunch now on the channel. Literally just have to insert a small screwdriver or a pick tool just to remove the securing clip there. So if I get this in here, pop this out. You don't have to remove it fully, you just have to pop it out. There we are. As you can see, that's that clip now popped out. And we'll do the same on the other side as well, which, as you can see, there we go. Now this strut should just pull off. Just going to get a pry tool behind here just to make things a little bit easier. There we are, that's that end off, and that's that end off as well. And that's the strut removed. I'm just going to give these balls a quick clean up. Got to make sure your balls are nice and clean. And then the new struts do have a small amount of grease inside already, so no need to apply anymore. Very easy to install the new ones though. Literally should just push on and install the bottom one first. Yeah, easy as you like. And then this top one. Yeah, these new ones are definitely longer because I can't even push this up. I can't even push the boot up high enough to clip this on, because the other side is not allowing me to get the extra distance. And so what I'm going to have to do is just unclip this side, then I'll be able to clip that side on. Should be able to get this on now. Yep, there we are. We can just finish off getting this side removed. There we are, easy as you like. Quick clean up. we get our new strut, and we can install this into position. And there we go. I guess moment of truth now. Oh, it's definitely springing up a lot better. Yeah. That's much better straight away. I'm going to have to work these in a bit as well, I think. Yeah, it does already doesn't feel as heavy. I know they're not automatic struts, so they're not going to, you know, raise up all the way for me, but you just want a little bit of assistance, which is what it does. Oh, that's so much easier. I can just do it with a couple of fingers now. Before, it seemed like I was literally lifting the entire boot lid up. Yeah, that's much better. Great success. Well then, it's another job done, I guess. These old boot struts are ready for the bin, or the ever-growing scrap pile that I have. Yeah, nice, simple, easy job. You don't have to pay someone to do this for you. Get yourself some OEM boot struts, stableless. I don't install anything other than that on my BMWs. They do the job as they are intended to. If your car's 10 or 15 years old, the boot struts are probably a bit tired, as these probably were, but the previous owner installed some crappy aftermarket ones and they just don't work like the originals do. So yeah, stay to the original ones is what I say. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. Remember to give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one.